Oh, hi. I went to go make a cup of tea. However, here is a little simple trick that I thought I'd share with you guys that I've been using for years. Don't throw out your hard rock brown sugar. It hasn't gone off, it hasn't gone bad. It just needs a little bit of moisture, all right? So just moisturize it. And we're gonna try an experiment as well. For my sugar, all I do is I take a slice of bread. I usually like to use the end piece because less crumbs. If you have like a little food bag, you know, the ones with the holes in it that you can cook with, or like a little net or mesh bag, put the bread in there and then put it in your sugar, especially if it's like the centerpiece of a bread, because you're gonna get crumbs in your sugar, and then when you make tea you're gonna end up with bread in your tea, and then you're on your last sip of tea and then you get some bread at the end. It's I'm just gonna take that, place it on the top, and then I actually tried this with my dry mango slices, and it got hard as a rock. Just to let you guys know, I did the exact same thing, and I threw in a piece of bread right into my bag, sealed the bag, left it overnight, and the next morning, yep, my mango slices are back to their regular softness, which is fantastic because I love them, and even if they weren't, I would have eaten them rock hard, but now that they are, that's just a plus. Last but not least, this is what we're gonna try. I have a little jar here. I don't like chocolate, but I do like my candy, so I went to grab some, and they're rock hard. Drop it in here. Yeah, these are gummies. Gummies are not supposed to do this. If you don't have bread at home, I know a lot of people don't. Apples do the same thing. The only thing with the sugar is you can place them right over top, but the part of the sugar that your apple touches will kind of get really, really moist. I have these little tea bags actually that I use for my loose leaf tea. I just put it in this and throw it in the sugar. But now I'm gonna try this with the candy. The bread will work. We'll try the apple first and we'll check back. And if the apple hasn't worked, then I'm gonna try the bread and let you guys know. But hey, enough about me and candy. We know this one works for sure, so definitely give this a try. You can substitute apples. Apples work just as well with the brown sugar too. I just prefer the bread because it's nice and dry and doesn't wet the sugar. If you got some hard candy or some dried fruit that's gone really hard, so give it a try. Let this sit and I'll check back with you guys in a few. And I'm gonna go get some tea, so I'll see you in a bit.